Hello, this is how to use formMule. So submit per usual, and then process it, and then you'll see here that you can put the semester start date and end date. I don't know them exactly, so I'll just kind of guess a little bit. Then something like that. So then you can download formMule compatible CSV. You can open that up. Mine opens up in Excel. Can't see it on my screen though. But if the start date and end date columns are showing up as pound signs, just make sure you expand those and it should be back to normal. Then you can click on formMule Ready Google Sheet. Alright, file, make a copy for yourself, name it anything you want. Alright, now that you have one of your own, you paste here where it says paste data here with this cell active. That's the information from the Excel sheet. And then you click here on formMule, run the initial installation, continue, scroll down, click allow. Alright, now step 1's there. Click on step 1 and just save the settings. Alright, now you can go to step 2B. You can ignore 2A and 2C. And click these buttons. Alright. Our create event condition will just be when course is not null, which means it'll create a new event if there's a value in the course column, and it'll use like that row of data as extra information. Our update event will be instead update if not null, and our delete event condition will be if delete is not null, which means it'll delete an event from the calendar if update has a value in it, or it'll delete something from the calendar if it has value for delete in it. Make sure our column containing event ID is event ID, and then here your calendar ID will be the ID of the calendar that we want to make events for. And click on this tab, and you can click here, create a new calendar. It can be anything you want. Make this calendar public. I don't know if you have to do that, but I just do it in case. Create the calendar, click yeah, and voila, there is our new calendar. I can click on this down arrow, click on calendar settings, and here's where we find the calendar ID. So just copy that all the way to the end without the parenthesis. Copy it and paste it in here. Our event title, do whatever you want, but I think course is the best idea. So you can use these like variables, so whatever in that column will show up as an event. Location, room, have the corresponding room number. For start time, I have it formatted in formMule start time, so it'll show up properly on the calendar. And then end time, you can put that in end time. Repeat for how many weeks? You can copy formMule weeks. It's already done the math for you, roughly. And then you can go up to days. Please copy that, paste it in here, so it'll show up on the proper days. Save the calendar settings. Alright, now you can click on formMule, preview and perform manual merge. Event create. Alright, run merge now. So this is a lot more information than this program was meant to handle, so we're probably going to get an error after a little bit. Just gotta be patient. Make sure you don't mess with these columns. Okay, well it didn't show up with an error, but as you can see, we only got event IDs for these few rows. So what you gotta do is just do it again, and I'll take care of the rest. Then create, run merge now. Wait a little bit while it does its work. Alright, still didn't finish, so we'll do it again. Oops, wrong thing. Preview and perform. Then create, run merge now. I think I should get through all of them now. There we go. Okay, so now go back and check our calendar and make sure we can see that one. Oh, I put it on 26, that's why I can't see it. There we go. So here we go. You can see now that all the classes showing up at the right times. You can click on the individual ones, see more information about it. See that 550.1 is Monday, September 5th through 9:05, 10 a.m. And you'll see it a week late at the same time. It's also on Wednesdays. Yep. Alright. Let's say we want to delete a class. So we'll delete that 550 class. So in order to do that, find 550. Let's see. Just organize these. Oh, there it is. Okay. So here, just put an X. It doesn't really matter what it is, but an X will do the trick. And now we need to make sure calendar knows what's up. So preview. And now, instead of event create, we do event update. I'll run merge now. Scroll over a little bit. Now it has a value for event update status. So 550.1 is deleted from the calendar. Now let's just check to make sure that's true. May not have caught up yet. Let's see. Oh, yep, it's gone through. So now 550 isn't a part of this calendar. Alright, and to update here, I'll do this as an example. Let's say Arnold Schwarzenegger isn't teaching anymore, and instead it's Joe Pesci. We'll keep it all caps. Alright, now we want to make sure that that information is displayed on the Google Calendar, so we update, put a thing in here for update, preview, event update, run merge. Okay, it's probably gone through. So I can go back to the calendar. Let's see. Where is it? Tuesdays. Let's see here. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, that wasn't a good example, because we don't have it displaying on here that information. But that is how you update something. I promise you that. Let's see. But we should be able to prove it. We'll change the room instead. So we'll say instead it's going to be room 9001. Okay. update's still there, so I think it should work. Ah, you know what you should do? You have to delete the status. If you want to update something again, gotta make sure that you delete the value that's in the event update status. formMule should work this time. There we go. It's no longer grayed out. Alright, now it has something there again. Okay, so we can go back here, find 144. See? Oh, probably hasn't gone through yet. Okay, I just refreshed the page. Ah, there we go. 144 is now taught in 9001. There you have it. Well, that's how you do it.